Building a clean room doesn't have to be complicated. Here's how Germfree simplifies the process. Every Germfree project begins with conceptual design and clearly defining user requirements. From process flow and cleanroom classification to system performance, Germfree starts by understanding exactly how your facility needs to function. Those requirements are then translated into a basis of design document, a clear blueprint that aligns technical specs, layouts, and equipment selections with your operational goals. Once approved, the basis of design becomes the foundation for the entire project, guiding every decision that follows with clarity, precision, and purpose. With a solid foundation in place, the project moves into schematic design. During schematic design, Germfree's expert engineering team develops detailed drawings that bring the project to life. These drawings define layouts, workflows, and spatial relationships, including equipment placement, room functions, and the flow of people and materials. This step brings together regulatory research with key design deliverables to establish the overall direction of a facility. Once the schematic design is approved and the design is frozen, long lead items can be released for procurement, keeping your project on track and on schedule. Next, we dive into detailed design, where concepts turn into build-ready plans. In detailed design, our engineers develop comprehensive 2D and 3D drawings, P&IDs, load calculations, and detailed schematics that capture everything needed for fabrication and construction. Before production begins, the complete detailed design package is submitted for client approval, ensuring accuracy, alignment, and total confidence before the build begins. Now, it's time to turn plans into action. In fabrication design, engineering meets manufacturing. Every drawing, every specification is transformed into fabrication-ready plans, ensuring that each component of your facility can be built, assembled, and installed exactly as intended. This is one of the most critical steps of the project. Getting it right here lays the groundwork for a seamless build, reducing surprises down the line and setting your facility up for success from day one. With fabrication plans in hand, the project comes to life in the manufacturing phase. Here, our team carefully constructs every structure, system, and component to meet the highest standards. The outcome? Turnkey solutions built for quality, reliability, and long-term performance. At Germfree, quality isn't just a final check, it's built into every step. Our QC technicians use advanced methods and innovative technology to monitor every component and process throughout a project. We tailor our quality control solutions to your specific facility needs, ensuring precision, safety, and regulatory compliance from the very first drawing to the completed installation. The result is confidence, a facility that not only meets industry standards, but is designed to perform reliably for years to come. From our factory to your site, every module is handled with care. Germfree carefully manages the rigging and shipping process for every component of a project. That means verifying dunnage placement, load security, and proper truck fitment, all to ensure safe, damage-free transport. Some of our modules weigh up to 40,000 pounds, so expert handling is key to maintaining structural integrity during transit. Before delivery, we collaborate closely with you to prepare the site for installation. This includes reviewing groundwork, utilities, and infrastructure requirements, everything that could impact the process. By planning ahead, we prevent delays and ensure your facility integrates seamlessly once it arrives. The result is a smooth, efficient installation that sets the stage for immediate operation. Next, it's time to validate performance and ensure compliance. Our CQV team develops comprehensive documentation and protocols to prove that your facility or equipment meets every requirement. This includes commissioning plans, FAT and SAT protocols, and detailed summary reports. These records aren't just paperwork. They verify performance, confirm regulatory compliance, and ensure your facility is ready for seamless approval by agencies like the FDA, CDC, and others. Even after installation, Germfree is with you every step of the way. Our 24/7 service team travels worldwide to maintain your facilities and equipment, providing preventative maintenance and full service support to ensure long-term reliability. From Asia to the USA, we keep your operations running at the highest standards anywhere in the world. From capturing your vision to commissioning and beyond, Germfree's process is designed to deliver clarity, precision, and confidence at every step. Every facility we build is more than just a structure. It's a turnkey solution built to perform, compliant, and reliable, helping you serve patients safely and efficiently around the globe.